Hi everybody, I'm Lucy Sturgis and welcome back to my cycling channel, Lucy Sturgis Cycling. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming and welcome back. So, I am not on my bike today, I'm having a day off. I have had a crazy busy week in my job. We've had like the busiest week at work. I work at a university and organise events around Welcome Week, so we've had freshers on campus and it's been mental. And today, for the first time in like well over a week, I have nowhere to be. So I can do whatever I want. I got up when I wanted, I had a leisurely breakfast, I've just been pottering around my house and it feels amazing. So yeah, all good. Anyway, I'm going to chat to you a little bit today around a few things. So I've got some new items that I'm going to show you. They're dotted around me at the moment, you can't see. A mini shout out for this t-shirt. If you followed me for a while, you might have remembered that I had a little t-shirt store before and it sold like cycling themed t-shirts and jumpers and bits of merch. And I'm going to have a go at restarting it again. But yeah, so if you're looking for cycling themed t-shirts, hiking, camping, bikepacking, that sort of vibe, head on over Lucy Sturgis Cycling T-Mill. There'll be a link in the video. So yeah, check it out. All good. Okay, so I've realised recently that some of my kit is just needing a bit of a refresh. There's been a few little extra items that I've needed. Some because stuff's worn out, some because I've seen it and I think it looks cool. So I've got a few things that I've actually purchased over the last month or so that I haven't really looked at, but they're all good purchases. And nothing here is gifted, so it's all things that I've just bought myself that I've needed or I like or I'm going to test. Yeah, so let's get down to it. So first disaster is these cycling shoes. Now I love these cycling shoes from Gyro, the Gyro Empire shoes, but not looking too great there. So that one, the sole had just completely come away and this one is coming off. Now I gotta say, my kit always takes a bit of a battering, and if you do bikepacking and touring and stuff, you'll know this. It does just take a bit of a battering, but that is not okay. And basically it's to do with this edge. I used to work in footwear, I can't remember any of the right terminology, but yeah, it's just come away there, and that is no good when you know this is an off-road cycling shoe. So you know you've got like a mountain bike cleat on there and this sole there so that you can walk around and things. That's not okay. But the issue I had is that I bought these shoes in 2023, had them in my cupboard thinking, oh yeah, I'll wear them at some point, didn't until about 6 months ago. So they've only had cleats on for about 6 months and you would expect better wear than that. Contacted Gyro, they told me to contact Treads, who I bought them through. Treads said, oh sorry, you're out of the year warranty, so yeah, I'm scuppered. So these cleats are going to be coming off and I made a new purchase. So I don't know if you guys have used Sport Pursuit before. It's kind of a bit of a funny website because you have to log in to use it, but I have bought some SIDI off-road shoes. I've not used these, I've not used SIDI shoes before, but I can't remember how much they were, but the price was pretty good. So here we go, new shoes. A little boa fascinator there, a little tightening thing. Yeah, so I will at some point be putting cleats on these and giving them a test. So it's got like kind of it's like a very dark khaki colour. It's got kind of a bit of a matte finish, so that's good because I can wear it with any kit. Well, I did like my lace-up shoes, but hey. So there we go. That is one of the new purchases, SIDI off-road shoes. Yeah, so I'll be giving those a test at a suitable time and I'll keep you posted. I should also try them on really, shouldn't I? But yeah, let's hope they fit. I'm sure they will. Size 7. I'm a big fan of Alpkit. I've got loads of Alpkit kit. So my soloist tent, that's Alpkit, sleeping bag, I've got a bivvy, I've got a mat from them. And I just really like Alpkit. I'm a big fan. I like their stores. I like the kit. It's always good stuff. It's an outdoor brand, so I'm always going to be keen for that. And they had a really good sale on, and I found some stuff that I was in need of or would like. So here we go. I'm actually someone who doesn't buy much stuff, so I haven't bought any new clothes for well over a year. I set myself this target in March last year and I've just carried it on, so I only bar this t-shirt, I only buy stuff from Vinted, and if it's like second hand, and that's kind of a bit of a sustainability drive type stuff. But yeah, I have invested in some new camping stuff because I use it all the time, and if it's things that kind of make life a little bit easier. So yeah, first things first, bottle cages. So I was in need of, I've got these bottle cages because they're side entry, because when I've got on my gravel bike here, when you've got like frame bags, putting the bottle in like directly straight down is a bit of an issue, and it's kind of, they get wedged in, especially if you've got larger bottles. So having these like side entry bottle cages will just mean that I can just pull it out a little bit easier. So I've got a pair of those, and they were in the sale, so that was awesome. Next up, I only have one saucepan. My sister bought it for me and it's amazing. It's like this very lightweight titanium pot, and then my little alcohol like Trangia type stove goes inside, so it kind of self-stores. But I've been kind of thinking it'd be good to have like a bit of a better range of pots. So I've got this box of their alley pots, very light, the box is. Here we go. So this will just, I mean, some of these are going to be too large, but like a pan, like a frying pan like this. Here we've got the full set. It's just going to give me just like a bit of an extra range of stuff. Just different size pots for cooking. So that's good, and then you can just like store things inside. So yeah, that's really cool. Set of pots. The things I get excited about these days. But yeah, really lightweight. Yeah, so all good. Although really, I just wonder if they're going to be a little bit too big for bike packing. Like that size kind of frying pan is good. So I might give that some thought, or it might be good for when I'm doing like a different site of camping. So yeah, I'll give some thought to that one. So something else that I have purchased. This actually wasn't Alpkit. I found this on another website, but it's actually a mess tin. So these are, I've seen people cooking on these with like Trangia stoves, and it's a mess tin, but also you can use it as like a lunch box as well. So this looks ideal. I think those other pans are too big, so they're probably going to be a return job. But yeah, this is more the sort of thing that I need. So it's a small tin like this. It's got a handle on for cooking. It's got a lid. So you can use it as like a lunch box, and it's also got a bit of a grill as well for kind of cooking on. And that looks absolutely ideal for me. And then you can, you know, if I've got food in there that I want to carry and eat later, you can pop it in there. Super lightweight, small. So yeah, that's kind of ideal for me. So that is a good purchase. So that one can go in the keep pile. Next up is, now, other people will, if you watch my videos, you will have seen me cooking on my little alcohol stove, and I absolutely love that. I got this it's a little concertina, and basically it's a windshield to go around my stove, and it's super lightweight. I'm not going to notice that I've even got this in my bag. So yeah, that's going to be really handy, and again, it was in the sale, so that was a purchase. I've been thinking I need that for a while, because it just makes my stove more efficient when it's burning, and yeah, actually helps me light it if it's really, really windy. So yeah, a really good purchase. Next up now, this is something that I've been looking at for ages and thinking about buying, and it is a compact wood burning stove. So it's flat pack, and basically it mounts up into like a little rectangle, so that then you can burn wood and you can cook on it. And I find that quite cool and quite rustic. So yeah, that's it. It comes like flat pack like this, and I'm thinking that it's stopped raining now. I might actually take it out and do like a little test on it, and maybe we can like make a hot chocolate or something like that. So yeah, all good. There we go. Alpkit wood burning stove. Again, it was in the sale. Next up, I have purchased a dry bag. This is the Airlock Dual 20 litre, and the reason I've got this is to go on my handlebar bag. So when I've been traveling, I've got a waterproof handlebar bag that straps onto the front of obviously it straps onto my handlebars, yeah. And I have another bag that I've been sort of putting on top that has my tent in, but it's kind of an old sleeping bag type bag, and it looks so scruffy and all the straps are hanging down and it really bothers me. So again, these were in the sale from Alpkit, so we'll just get this one out. Packs down like this. There. So it's just a bit tidier, and it's got straps on here already that that you can fasten round, rather than me like finding straps that are kind of way too long. So that looks really handy, just to have like a dry bag that I can put stuff in. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Whoop whoop. I hate shopping, but you know, when you're buying stuff like this, it's quite handy, isn't it? And then also another Sport Pursuit purchase, just some winter bib tights. So these are Shimano. They are fleece lined. The material feels really soft. Got some reflective strips on the back. I can't remember how much they were, but I know they were pretty reasonable, and another sale purchase. So yeah, it's all about sale shopping. I don't really, haven't got any gifted kit for a while. So yeah, if you've got stuff that I might need, any retailers, hit me up, guys. Yeah, and that is it. So yeah, all good.
So thank you for watching my video, just showing you a few new kit items. Stay tuned for my next video, because I'll be testing out the little wood burning stove and talking to you about my recent Outer Hebrides trip. Thanks guys, stay safe and keep cycling.